I just found this tablecloth at Walmart. It was $1.89. It's all paper. There was no additional plies that you did not have to remove from the back. And this had about 12 images in it. I'm going to cut out one. This would be a great item maybe to get some friends together and do a multiple craft together, since there are about 12 images in one $1.89 tablecloth. I also picked up this plaque from Walmart while I was there. And this is a nice, easy craft because it was already painted white. This is our new brayer from Redesigned by Prima. You can find that at chalkitupfancy.com, as we use them often with our decoupage. I'm going to start by applying my 1 hour enamel clear to half. You want to make sure your image is placed straight and all that. And then I'm going to add some saran wrap. I'm going to use my brayer. And the brayer is now just making sure that my image has made contact with my board and the glue. And it also removes a lot of the wrinkles. I'm going to flip it over and do the other half and lay my paper down. And again, take the saran wrap and go over it with the brayer, making sure I'm hitting all around the edges. I'm going to cut off the excess paper, and then I'm gently apply my last coat of the 1 hour enamel clear. And then put that aside to dry. Now this is an 11 by 14 canvas board that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And this particular tablecloth I picked up at Christmas Tree Shop. I fell in love with it. I love the blue. It says happy fall y'all. And this canvas board just fit it perfectly. I basically cut right where the last image ended and where the next image started. And again, this tablecloth has multiple images in it. Now the difference between this one and the one at Walmart is this one has a little piece of plastic on the back that you do have to remove before you move forward. So you want to line everything up and make sure it's placed. I'm going to put my 1 hour enamel clear down. I'm going to do this in sections, do half first. Again, grab my saran wrap. Guys, I don't use good saran wrap. I pick it up at the dollar store, and then my brayer. And again, this brayer can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. We finally got one in stock. We use them all the time if anybody's interested. Then I'm going to go to the next half. And again, guys, these are just nice, quick, fast fall projects as we're, coming to an end. If you're just looking for something fun to do. I'm going to do my saran wrap in my brayer. And then my final coat of 1 hour enamel clear. This particular paper was a little bit more durable than the last one. Super cute. Now that they're dry, I'm going to take some sandpaper. This is 80 grit, but you want to make sure you're really hitting just that edge. You don't want to hit the image at all. And for projects like this, I pick up my sandpaper at the dollar store. They usually come in a pack of different grades. I would not use this for furniture, but something like this, I do use them. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my fall pickup truck. Really, really easy on both of these. I think they came out adorable. And now we just want to find hangers. When I see clearances, I grab any type of beaded garland, and I use them for hangers. I use them for all kinds of things. But I'm going to use this home. It's a tag that came off a bead. I'm going to use it as my hanger. I'm going to use my Bosch stapler. And you're going to see my husband's hand come in and help me. That's probably all you'll ever see him because he's quite shy. Thank you, hubby. And then I just took some Elmer's glue and then a little bit of hot glue to hold down that home tag. And now this one I'm going to just go with a plain white bead garland. This was a little longer, so I just cut them a little further than I want. I pull off the excess beads, and then I have some rope to work with. So I also at the dollar store, I pick up any kind of hanger, any kind of wall hanger, picture hanger. And these were just these little looped type picture hangers that I used to glue to the back of my project and connected the rope with it. And this canvas is so light, it doesn't take much glue to really hold that. And there you go. You have Happy Fall You All, and you have this great home pumpkin. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. And for any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.